Indoor terrariums are a mesmerizing way to bring nature into your home, offering a self-sustaining, low-maintenance miniature garden that thrives in any indoor space. Whether placed on a desk, shelf, or coffee table, these tiny ecosystems combine art and horticulture, providing a relaxing and creative outlet for both beginners and gardening enthusiasts. With endless possibilities for design and personalization, terrariums allow you to create a lush green sanctuary, even in the smallest of spaces. Let's dive into the essential steps for crafting your perfect indoor terrarium. 1. Understanding terrariums. The basics: a terrarium is a small, enclosed garden housed in a transparent container that mimics natural ecosystems. There are two main types: closed terrariums, which retain moisture and create a humid environment ideal for ferns and mosses, and open terrariums, which allow air circulation, making them perfect for succulents and cacti. Understanding the difference between these types is crucial in choosing the right plants and setting up a healthy, thriving miniature garden. 2. Selecting the perfect container. Your choice of container sets the foundation for your terrarium's aesthetics and functionality. Clear glass jars, fish bowls, vases, or repurposed household items such as old lanterns or bottles all make excellent choices. Closed containers help retain humidity, while open ones allow air circulation, preventing excess moisture buildup. A transparent container ensures ample light reaches the plants, fostering a vibrant and thriving ecosystem. 3. Creating the ideal base layer. A well-structured base layer is key to maintaining plant health. Start with small pebbles or gravel to facilitate drainage, preventing water from accumulating at the bottom. Follow this with a layer of activated charcoal, which acts as a natural filter, eliminating odors and preventing mold growth. This foundational setup ensures that your terrarium remains fresh and well-balanced. For choosing and preparing the right soil, the type of soil you use significantly impacts plant growth. For moisture-loving plants like ferns and mosses, nutrient-rich potting soil is ideal. Succulents and cacti thrive in well-draining soil mixed with sand or perlite. Spread the soil evenly over the charcoal layer, ensuring it's deep enough to support the roots while maintaining an optimal moisture balance for plant health. 5. Picking the best plants for your terrarium. Selecting the right plants is essential for a successful terrarium. Closed terrariums flourish with humidity-loving plants, such as mosses, ferns, and air plants. Open terrariums are best suited for drought-resistant species, like succulents, cacti, and aloe vera. Consider the size and growth habits of each plant, ensuring they complement each other and fit comfortably within your chosen container. Combining plants with different textures and colors can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal. 6. Arranging and planting your mini garden. Now comes the exciting part: arranging and planting your terrarium. Begin by making small holes in the soil for each plant. Carefully remove the plants from their nursery pots, shaking off excess soil before positioning them in your chosen layout. Allow space between the plants for growth and aesthetic balance. Once placed, gently pat the soil around the roots to secure them. This step lets your creativity shine as you craft a unique miniature landscape. 7. Enhancing your terrarium with decorative touches. Adding decorative elements transforms your terrarium into a personalized work of art. Incorporate small stones, pebbles, seashells, driftwood, or figurines to create a theme that reflects your style. Whether you envision a tranquil Zen garden with sand and miniature rakes, or a whimsical fairyland with tiny figurines, these embellishments add depth and character, making your terrarium a striking home feature. 8. Managing moisture. For a healthy ecosystem, proper moisture balance is key to terrarium maintenance. For closed terrariums, mist the plants lightly before sealing the container, allowing the natural water cycle to maintain humidity. Open terrariums require occasional watering. Ensure the soil is moist but not soggy to prevent root rot. Overwatering can lead to mold, while underwatering can cause plants to dry out. Regularly observing soil and plant health will help maintain optimal conditions. 9. Providing the right amount of light plays a crucial role in the longevity of your terrarium. Indirect sunlight is ideal, as direct exposure can overheat the container and scorch the plants. Place your terrarium near a window with filtered light, or use grow lights if natural light is insufficient. Different plants have varying light needs, so researching their specific requirements ensures they remain healthy and vibrant. 10. Keeping your terrarium thriving with maintenance. Regular care keeps your terrarium looking fresh and thriving. Monitor plant growth. Remove yellowing leaves and trim overgrown sections to prevent overcrowding. If condensation forms on the walls of a closed terrarium, briefly open the lid for ventilation. Checking for signs of pests, mold, or excessive moisture ensures your indoor garden stays in peak condition for years to come. Bonus tip: experiment and personalize. One of the joys of terrariums is the ability to experiment with different designs and containers. Repurpose unique items like old light bulbs, teacups, or glass bottles for a creative twist. Mixing plant varieties and textures can also add a visually captivating element to your design. Let your imagination guide you as you create a one-of-kind indoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of indoor terrariums. These captivating miniature ecosystems are not only an aesthetic addition to your home, but also a rewarding, low-maintenance gardening experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned plant enthusiast, creating a terrarium offers endless possibilities for creativity and relaxation. We'd love to see your terrarium creations. Share your designs in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow plant lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on home gardening and plant care. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!